Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Please do subscribe to my channel. For all subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to show you all how I was able to create a sleek bun on my short natural hair. The first thing I did was to moisturize my hair with only water. Next off, I went off to section my hair using the Got2b glue gel, and I'm just going to apply it in the area where I have sectioned so that it will be properly defined. So I'm going to style my hair a little bit at the front, just a very simple style at the front, and that's why I'm trying to section it like this, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side as well. So while you're doing this, make sure that you're able to trace the middle of your head. You really do not want to miss that. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to braid that so that everything stays intact and in place. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to go in with this Got2b gel, and I'm just going to section my hair like this, not really in a defined manner, but I'm going to section my hair and then apply it just so that everything sinks into the hair properly. And then once I'm done, I'm going to pick up a little brush and then brush that properly so that it's properly laid. And that's what I'm going to do all the way. I'm going to section, put the Got2b gel, and I'm just going to brush. So this is what my hair looks like right now with the Got2b gel, and at the middle of my hair I'm going to section that area and braid the middle, just so that when I'm packing my hair it will be really easy for me to pack everything into a bun. So I'm just going to section it a little bit like this. So I'll pick up my hair extension and apply my eco styling gel on it and braid. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the gel that I am using. It actually did work for me. I was thinking it wouldn't, but it actually did work, and it was the first time that I was using it. But the only issue is that this particular Got2b glue flakes a lot. Like, you start seeing white patches, and this is not to like kill any brand, but this particular one, just in case you want to use it, I feel like you should go for a black shade instead of white, because this one comes in a white shade, and I discovered that it really flaked a lot. So right now I'm going to brush everything together like this, place it in a bun, and then pick up a hair extension. You can pick up a hair extension, a wool or thread, and then just tie everything together so that everything stays into a bun. And that is what I am doing right now. I'm just using my hair extension from Expression, and I'm just putting all of that into a bun. So once I'm done, I'm going to knot it. So at this point, I'm going to start braiding the front of my hair, because I want a little bit of style at the front of my hair, and I'm just going to start braiding. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 at this part right here. Once I section, I braid the rest just so that everything stays intact and it does not interfere with the hair that I want to braid. So I'm going to pick up my hair extension one after the other and basically just braid, and that is what I'm going to do all the way. So for the style that I'm trying to achieve, I didn't want to braid all the way to the end of the hair extension. So once I was close to the end, I just left everything. At this point, I'm going to pick up my flexi rods. This is actually not so necessary because I wanted to like create curls at the front of my hair, but I didn't really like what I had at the end of the day, so I just forfeited it. Now I'm going to pick up my flexi rods. Like I said, this is actually really not necessary, depends on the style that you're trying to achieve. And then I'm going to pick up my blow dryer and just dry my hair just so that it's dry and no longer damp, because I used a hair gel. Right now I'm going to pick up my expression hair extension, and I'm just going to use a black rubber band, place it at the middle, and then use my teeth to hold the hair together while I braid it. This is actually really with the visual you can easily get what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So this is what my hair looks like right now. After braiding it, I'm going to like create butterfly braids at the back like this, and just so that everything is cute and really nice, I'm just going to create butterfly braids by releasing the hair extension a little bit, just to make them a little bit far off from each other. To make it a little bit loose, I'm just going to create the butterfly braids, and I really did love the outcome. And then right now I'm going to place the flexi rods at the tail end of my hair extension again. I'm going to pick that one by one. I think I picked about 5 of it because the braid at the back is not so big, so I think I picked about 5 of it, and I'm just going to place that into hot water. And once that is done, I'm going to pick it out and then remove the flexi rods, and just so that I can achieve curls, I'm going to remove the flexi rods, and I'm quickly going to show you guys what it looks like once I was done. So to style the hair up a little bit and to make it look more attractive, I went in with beads, and then I knotted the end of the braid like this and used a lighter and then just lit everything, and it was really cool and it came out really beautiful. Right now I'm going to pick up my got to be gel again. I'm just going to apply that on my edges to just lay them down properly, and this is what my hair looks like right now, and I am loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you learned something from it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. If you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post you get the notification and you'll be the first to know. I'll also link some of my previous videos to this one so that you guys can see. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.